When life gives you lemons, what do?
Drink lemonade.
Yeah.
With Caribbean rum.
Well, here we are. You can tell we're in the shop, and there's the truck. Alright, we're here in Rush, back in Colorado Springs. That's obviously not the good sign. And if you could see, well, there's no power here right now. We had a huge storm. But we're making metal all through the engine, so it's another rebuild. So we've been here for, I don't know, a month, over a month. And here we are.
Parts are a problem again. Surprise,
Yeah,
surprise.
surprise, there's still back order on parts. New engine has issues. When they call you and tell you you got issues, and they're finding pieces of metal like that in the pan on a brand new engine, you know it's not good. This is really pretty big bummer for us. Serious issues. It has to be taken apart, rebuilt, or replaced altogether. It is making metal, which isn't good. So here's one of the obvious wear items that we've been. They think it all might have started up here on this upper end. So while we're down, we're getting some paint work done on the truck. All the blue is going to match the Harley. There's a few parts, bearings laying on the ground, never a good sign. But we also are getting our fenders installed and painted. Yeah, we bought these in June. Just been waiting to get time to actually installing them. Yeah, now we don't get a real good idea of the color because it is a little dark, but this is the painted, rather dusty because they painted this a few weeks ago. But that's what the bumper's going to look like, and that's the color blue we're going with. Like I said, it's pretty dusty.
So, to make lemonade with Caribbean rum, we're going to take advantage of our downtime. Come stay with our dear friend that has a house here on the island. It's an Airbnb, and just kick back, relax, and wait our time out for our truck.